Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Lazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage. You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
Hey, welcome back, guys, to another episode of I Hurt My Fucking Finger. Okay, so I got this wheel on, and my stupid ass did not look in the box for the anchors. The anchors are these things that go right here to there, okay, to the other side of the bolt. So I fucking found them, and the only reason why I have these pieces of metal right here in my hand is because that's an EG fork. I don't know what happened to my EF fork or CRX fork, and I'm using quotations when I say that. So I'm gonna use these to put inside the hole as a spacer in order for it to compress against the shock, just to get it onto the floor. That's not the right way to do suspension, but I've seen somebody do that when I first bought this car, and they had the forks on like that. So this car is gonna literally be on the floor today. It's gonna be on the ground today. And god damn it, I fucking hurt my finger. There, look at that. Ooh, demonetized me, boy. You guys might notice something, that I'm walking in the spot where the CRX was. I kind of sold the CRX because I was like, I need the money. And then I said, fuck no, I didn't sell it because it's right fucking there. I rolled it out. It moved on its own power. I pulled it. I moved it over. Luis helped me put the tires and suspension on. So it's moving. It's everything's going smooth. Now we just got to do that body work in March. There's a brick on the floor. Right there. But I gotta clean up this whole fucking garage now that the car is out of here. Move things where they need to be. Hook things up where they need to go. I'm just so happy that the car's actually like in front of me now instead of looking at it like from a different perspective. I'm always looking at it to the front. I can actually see the back end of this car now, and I'm actually super fucking happy. And I think I'm gonna watch Young Static's video on how he eliminated that the bumper support bar, because I really don't want that. So I'm gonna watch Static's video on how to do that, but I forget which one it was. Get this shit situated, right? Fucking right, doggy, fucking right. It is later on in the night, and it's about almost 10 o'clock at night now, and I got the car situated. I got all the car parts put away that are not being used on the CRX currently. So tomorrow, what I think I'm going to do is probably start working on the body, seeing how that Vasily is going to be showing up here, and Players Club and Chris Sadowski are going to be showing up here around March 30th to 31st. I figured, hey, you know, I got this dent puller. What if I were to sand down, you know, some of the parts where there's dents, and instead of filling them in with Bondo, popping them out? So that sounds like a good idea to me, but I'm going to start sanding these doors down tomorrow just to see how I can get it. I'm not going to take them off. I'm not going to do the full Vasily treatment because I'm not talented like him, but I'm going to try to be a Vasily when it comes to the doors and on all the paint and have the body nice and straight and smooth. I'm not the best when it comes to body work, but I mean, I know how it should be done. But I am in no way, no shape or form a professional. So we'll see how this goes. It's my first build ever. And like I've seen in the memes, wheels and suspension doesn't make a build. I thought I did in this, with my Civic. This is a build. That Civic was just a toy at the time. This is the real deal. Fast forward a few hours and it's daytime. Don't you guys like jump cuts? I love jump cuts because they are the fucking best. Update on the car. I started sanding it with a whole bunch of different sanders, and it's a lot of fucking Bondo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take paint stripper to it, and what paint stripper will do is eat the rest of the Bondo and it'll eat the rest of the paint, and it'll give me a fresh, clean slate of metal. So that way I'm gonna have the body practically all metal and ready for Vasily and Players Club. So when the boys come down, we can do all the work that we need to do to the body, and everything's perfect for them to weld and all that shit. So I'm gonna get that done soon.
This is a lot of fucking work. I need more paint stripper.
Because they're out of the Rust-Oleum aircraft stripper. Apparently, AutoZone discontinued it. So, we're going to try this out and see how this works. Hopefully it works pretty good. Immediately, using it gave me a headache. And, my God, is this shit strong. So if you're doing this, if you're ever going to use that aircraft stripper, the other stuff, the Rust-Oleum stuff worked really good. But this shit, fucking, it looks like you need to, like, shake it up before you fucking use it. My God. Just the fucking smell is just, like, really bad. Like, it's fucking awful smell, and it's not even working as fast as it would on the Rust-Oleum. Like, immediately it made my fucking nostrils, like, fucking feel like they were on fire, and I was dripping, like, out of my nose right now before I even put this on. I do not recommend this stuff at all.
How bad it is. I had to switch masks. Like, I shook it up to see if it would work better, and it fucking didn't. So, it's still, like, that's as much as we're getting. Everything else, like, if this was Rust-Oleum, it would be fucking, like, bubbling up, but that's as good as it's gonna get. Hopefully you guys can hear me well. But, man, like, that's what it looks like. Looks like vomit. It's like you have to apply coat after coat after coat. I'm gonna show you what this shit looks like. Like fucking vomit. Just like vomit. Look at that. Gross. Gross, gross, gross. And it's like you have to put coat after coat after coat in order for it to actually fucking start working, which is really stupid. Coat number 473. You know, the Rust-Oleum stuff worked a lot better. Like, it immediately, like, activated as soon as it would touch paint, you know? Like, it would, like immediately start eating all the paint off. And this shit doesn't. I mean, it still works, but it's a lot slower. We'll see once I start scraping it, but it takes a lot longer for it to actually kick in and start eating the paint, like other paint strippers would do. Well, we'll find out, right? As you can see here, it's starting to work a little bit, but don't know how well it's working. Here, I don't know how well that's working either. I mean, like, of course it's coming up, but how well will it come off? I don't know, because you got the Rust-Oleum shit I had was taking off the Bondo, but will this take off the spotting glaze and the paint, right? The primer here and the Bondo here and the paint and primer here? We'll find out, I guess. I'll give this time to sit and chill and see what it does. So bear with me if it gets dark. All right, let's see how well this works. It says to let sit for 15 minutes. It's been about 20, so we'll see. Oh, kind of. I mean, right here is already bare metal, and here's bare metal, but right here and here, no. I mean, but it's coming off, so this stuff is gonna work. It's just the fumes that are so fucking awful that I can't. Oh yeah, that's working. Look at that. It's like getting those cannolis, you know, where they roll them up, they cut them up and roll them like this. Literally, one of the easiest ways to get rid of Bondo is just use paint stripper. I use it all the time. Instead of sanding and sanding and sanding, this won't harm nothing. Because, I mean, if you're going to re-Bondo, you might as well fucking, you know, get rid of all the Bondo. I'm going to re-Bondo, but I'm going to try to level up the metal before I actually put down Bondo. Because what they did was they had the fucking metal all fucked up, completely demolished. So I'm just gonna fucking have it as smooth as I can get it, and then lay the Bondo down. Because, you know, no body work is gonna be perfect without Bondo. Unless you're like a genius, I guess. I'll make it to work. That's how it looks so far after fucking, all this right here wasn't, this was all paint before, and it took it all off. So as I keep fucking scraping it, more stuff just keeps flying off. Like right here, look at that. All that right there, coming off. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just the way I like it. Up again, because I gotta keep the shit closed, and I don't touch it with my hands, because as you can see, what it does to the jug, takes the paint right off, so I don't want that shit on my fucking hands. I don't care about these shoes though, I don't give a damn. Okay, got it open. More. All right here. It's all nice and dry and crunchy. Kind of like my love life. Nice and dry. Once the stuff dries, it's okay to touch. But if it's not dry, I don't recommend touching it unless you want your fucking finger to burn off. Cause this shit, I've had this shit hit me right here in this eye, and it does not feel fucking good at all. And as you can see where I'm losing fucking daylight, these lights don't work for shit. That one turns on, that one turns on, that one finally turned on. But I might have to close out this video fucking sooner than I thought. But we'll see. Trying to turn this off. Don't edit any of my videos purposely, because I want you guys to have it raw, you know, the way that I would want to see a video. And I got a lot of work to do on this, so I'm just going to end the video here, because I got a lot more scraping to do, and a lot more coats, and a lot more scraping, and yada 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 yada. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you like and subscribe, comment. I always reply to every single comment. If you guys want anything from Neo's Garage, sorry I'm taking so long to reply or say something right now, because I'm breathing through this mask and it's kind of cutting off my circulation. But the fumes kind of give me a headache, so I need to wear this. If you guys want anything from Neo's Garage, please use the link down below. They have the best in Honda and Acura performance parts. They also have a payment plan if you guys want to do that. If you guys want anything from Activia Racing, there will also be a link down below. Please check that out. It helps me, it helps you. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and we get shit done when we feel like it. Peace.